Alright everybody, it's Iceman 50 here. Today we got a project. My neighbor Dawn wants me to put these, what are they called? Saggy bag repairs. Saggy bag repairs. So she's got a 2011 Harley Davidson, what is it?
Softtail.
Softtail, that's what I thought. Yeah, so it's a Softtail. And it's got the soft bags on it. So we got a kit. She ordered a kit to kind of puff the bags back out. We'll take you a little closer here, and I'll grab this from here. Okay. And then we will unclick.
Show them my saggy bags.
We'll show saggy bags. Okay. You can see that, you know, it's kind of, you can see where it's kind of sunken in a little bit, especially over here in the back. You can see that.
A lot to those.
Yeah, apparently. All right, so you can see this is just kind of a, you know, before and after, right? Okay. All right. So we'll open up the box. We got the box right here. We'll open this up, and we'll see what's in the package, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. We'll see you in a minute. As per usual, make sure you grab yourselves a nice cold frosty beer. Nostrovia. And let's open this. Let's open up this box and see what's in here. What's in the box? What's in the box?
Oh, somebody think of the children.
Right? Oh, maybe you can see this. Got saggy bags. Saddle bag support systems. Okay. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, E6000. Oh no. Glue. Importante. Adhesive information. This kit contains 2 tubes of adhesive. With proper coverage, the 3.7 ounce tube should be sufficient for installation of both lid inserts. The 1 ounce tube is supplied should you require more. Do not follow directions on the tube. The E6000 is very fast drying. Apply adhesive quickly and install immediately while adhesive is still wet. Use at temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees.
We might have to redo this.
For a successful installation, follow the Got Saggy Bags instruction sheet. So this is like ABS plastic. Interesting. Wow. So they just took like some ABS sheets and folded it over. Same thing here. They got some ABS. Whoa. Okay. So these must go around, wrap around it, right? Yeah, it must. What else do we got in here? Okay, we got more pieces of ABS, just custom cut. Oh, what we got here? Oh, nice. This must be like the top box or something.
Yeah, there's one that goes on the top to keep the...
GotSaggyBags.com. 702-558-0497, everybody. Yeah, I guess if you've got saggy bags on your Harley, you should grab one of these. I think it'll probably work all right. Let's see. Let's see here. Get the sag out of your bags. No more sagging lids, buckled seams, or wrinkled panels. HD Heritage Softtail Classic installation instructions. Before, you can see this kind of looks like what it looks like now, and after, oh, it's she plumped up. She's thick. She thick. Read the entire instructions prior to starting your insert on the top of the bag later, so we can always do that later. So yeah, interesting. Your system installation is now complete. For hot tips, see, for hot tips, what are the hot tips? These are the support pieces, support rail. So come over here. We pulled it in the shade here. Oh yeah, this is much better. It's at least 10 degrees warm. Simpson.
If you're watching, you should be drinking 2 to 1 to Jason.
Right. Yeah. Oh, that's a waspy.
Oh, should I get my thing?
You son of a... Yeah, maybe we should.
Go away. Checking out the saggy bags.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? I said of all my prey. He gone.
I'm
For now.
Bye, Alicia.
Yeah, for now. All right, so we're gonna do it like this, and then
Oh, now he's got me. I don't have a child.
no.
Okay, now he's done. Seriously, this time. You're doing a roundabout on us, man, but I saw him fly.
If he comes back, I'm going and getting the zapper.
All right. Oh, that's a different one.
Okay,
It's
that's
different.
it. All right, that's it. That's it. Hang on, I'll be right back, everybody. We got our bug zapper.
You want me to cover your back?
Yeah.
Got you covered.
Watch my 6. So there's 2 pieces, and it's just to help slide it over. This part of this goes on the outside.
And then you remove them.
Yeah, and then you remove this. Yeah.
Here, that's a hand.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's get that out of the way. Like that. And then, yeah, we'll push it down as far as it needs to go. All right, let's move on to the next side. So we'll put these in here again.
Oh, yeah.
I think that was it. That's pretty much it, I think.
Sounded like a good snap to me.
Yeah, so we should just be able to. Let's keep going here. Yeah, that's got it. That's got it. All right. It already looks way better from the back. Look at this side compared to that side.
Oh, yeah.
It's now out the width. The tricky part is getting it right at the seam. It's really tight, which I guess is good, right?
Yep.
So
And we've got those wraparounds on the top.
yeah, exactly. So
But
what?
no, it looks way better.
So what I'm gonna do is we'll do the left side like this side, and we'll bring everybody back. All right, guys. I'll be right back. So been working on the left side. I got the left side back piece in here, and I got the left side front piece, but the stitching over here, I feel like it's just not quite wide enough. So they talked about in the instructions just trimming 1/8 of an inch off until it fits. So I think what we'll do is we got to go from this side. We're going to leave this side alone. That's the part that goes into the curve of the bag back there. So we're just going to trim off. I got a pair of kitchen scissors. I think it'll cut. It's only 1/8 inch ABS. So some customization required on these things. Let's see if we can get you guys to look in here. You see that? Might not be the greatest, but you know, we gotta pop this seam here. Let me sneak you. Oh, I think that's gonna work. You can see that so you push on it, get it in the corner, and it should, so you kind of get under this. They want you to have it go under the seam there. See that? Right there. And we just got to try to get it. So we might have to do a little bit more carving in the middle. All right, there we go. Now we're in, I think. Okay, I think we're gonna move on to the next step, which is these wraparound inserts. These, all right. Reinstall the strip as it was prior to trimming it. Hold the loose end of the strip with one hand and grab the middle of the strip with the other. Pull up. Oh, okay. And then you pop it down. All right. So, oh geez, it does look like it's gonna rain here, everybody. They said it might. It was actually thundering before, but there was nothing. So, yeah, it may or may not rain. This. That's just, I mean, it's working. There we go. Score it. Snap it off. All good enough. Alright. So let's get this side back up in where it's supposed to be. Alright, everybody. So that definitely stuck in there. Man, that thing is pretty rigid. See, it's like full width, right? So then all we need to do is get this other band in here. We're gonna scribe it right there. It's actually easier if I just do it like this. Ready? And that's it. Okay, so the last thing to do, which we'll have to do later, is we got to take the bag off, and those other plates go right underneath here. They glue in right here. That's where they give you all the E6000 for. But we can do that later or another time. But let's snap this closed and we'll take you a look around the bike. All right, so you can see that it looks pretty good from the, it's still a little saggy over in this corner, but right here, but for the most part, like the whole back of the bag looks pretty good. The bottom, look at the front, you can see where the bulge kind of was. It's way better. It's pushed out. So you can see the same thing on the other side too. Looks pretty good, pretty wide. Let's look at it from the back. Oh yeah, you can see how much wider they are. All right, everybody. Let's see how this looks. Down here, definitely filled them out. They look better. So we'll take a quick walk around the bike again. All right, let me go grab Dawn and we'll start this thing up so you can hear it. This thing's a bad mofo. All right, I'll be right back, everybody. Hang on. Everybody, we'll unlock this. Oh, man. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Run. And clutch in. I know. Oh, safety first. This thing's a pretty badass bike. everybody. We got a wicked nor'easter coming in. Or maybe that's my Australian accent. Hey, crikey, it's me, Kano. Anyways, it looks like it may rain at some point here. Oh, look at that fluffy cloud. So, anyways, lots of birds. So, you can see the Challenger. I gotta roll up the windows. My wife got this for me for Christmas. This Deadpool windshield cover. These are nice. It works. It helps. You know, I got tinted windows anyway, so let's roll up the windows here. I keep hearing it. The stupid. I think it's telling me there's no SD card in my dash cam. So that's because it's inside from when I did all the videos I just recorded. All right, everybody. So remember I said it was gonna rain? Yeah, it's raining. Uh-oh, we better get Old Glory. Definitely don't want to leave him out there. This is some pretty good rain, everybody. It almost, holy shit, it's hail. Oh my God, no. They're tiny. They're about the size of a pea. So, all right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Easy. All right, everybody, let's check this out. These are, yeah, see? They're about the size of a, shit. Hang on. Here's one. About the size of a pea. Let's see if I can, slippery little suckers. Anyways, let's see if we can, there's one. Whoa, one just hit my phone. All right. So hopefully, the car is all right. It's fine. All right, everybody. Well, shitty day. Now we'll see you guys. Easy.